Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 18th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I called the Dow up on Friday, and it did make 26 points today, but it wasn't anything like the short squeeze rally that I was hoping for. You can see here what happened. We got off the third red line, but it's just kind of creeping up, and then some selling is coming in right at the end there. This isn't what I expected really when I said I was calling it up. I expected it might actually get some momentum here and start squeezing the shorts, and I don't think there's any short squeezing. In fact, I think there were a lot of traders putting on shorts today up here. That's one reason maybe why we had a little pullback on that last 15-minute bar. I have to call the Dow down tomorrow, and the thing that's a little bit scary is that if this thing gets going hard to the downside, it could really move hard to the downside. The only thing is that'd be really good. I mean, I almost hope that would happen, except I wish it wouldn't happen when we have so many positions. Today we actually ended up getting into 13 positions. Now 9 of them are positive. And that's a great ratio, but the problem is we had one really horrible one. So the result is we're carrying about $700 in positive open trade equity. That's not very much for having 13 positions on and having 9 out of 13 positive. I mean, it's just not a real good showing there. And the problem that we had today is none of these 13 positions are big. Friday we had that big one in Mankind, but no biggies today. Everything was kind of limp, like the shape of that Dow, the shape of the Dow chart today, just kind of limp. And so we closed out $900 positive. So we barely get positive on both our open trade and our closed out. Well, being barely positive is sure better than not losing money, but I'm just getting really frustrated with these markets up here. Again, we're just caught up there right on the ceiling, and we don't seem to be going anywhere. And right now I gotta call that thing down for tomorrow. Anyway, I'll show you. I'll show you the bad news first. We might not have had too bad of a day today if it hadn't been for this thing. This is CSIQ, Canadian Solar, good market for us normally, but this thing creeped up today. Looks like we bought the high tick of the day, and then it just really fell apart, and we're negative over $4,000 in Canadian Solar. So that's where all those profits went in our open trade equity. Just sucked it all away. We still managed to have a few $100s positive left over, but you get a $4,000 loss here, and of course we're not out of this yet either, so God knows what's going to happen with us tomorrow. Anyway, not a good trade at all, but I will show you the biggie that really was great for us. This is Mankind Corporation, of course, and we had bought that on Friday right out of the gate. It kept going. We had some nice profits on the close, but it popped up again this morning, and I mean, on this first 15-minute bar, I thought it was going to go to the moon. We did get out here, a little pullback, but we're still closed out $8,000 in Mankind Corporation. So it's because of this trade that we're managing to show some very small profits in our trades today. Anyway, kind of a disappointing day, and yet we did make a little bit of money. I again just don't think we're going to make anything until this Dow has a correction, and that's really what I'm hoping for. And I am predicting a down Dow for tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.